Hi everyone, Emma here. I'm so excited. Today is day 16, I think. We got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thank you so much everyone for joining me for this 30-day challenge. In case you're wondering, I did this to kind of help with mood through the winter and get rid of the holiday blahs now that all the exciting stuff is over with. And I also did it to use some stuff that I don't use. So I have some beautiful, oh my gosh, these are amazing. Who made these? Oh, that's crazy. Oh, let's just dive into this one. These are gorgeous. So these are ear wires that I got from BB Craft. And these, you know what? Maybe AliExpress. I need to find out where I got these. These are so gorgeous. And of course, these are Swarovski for, you know what? I say 4. They look tiny. I think they're 3. Let me check. I like having the dainty, tiny with, yeah, these are 3. I thought so. And then these are gorgeous. These are called propeller beads, or turbine maybe. See the twisty look at the top, and then these gorgeous faceted shape in the middle. And I am using, these are 15 seed beads. And these are super tiny. They're head pins, they're gold plated, and they are, the length is not as important because we're going to be cutting them. This one we will use the full length here. So this one's a little shorter than that one. But the gauge of the wire is pretty small. I would say they're at least 24, if not less. They're pretty tiny. And this is this connector. So if you're looking for something like this, I'll try and find it and put the link. But if you look for connectors, you'll find it. So these connectors are interesting because they have a flat open loop here, but this one side here is opposite orientation. So these are great for different things. I like to use them in this kind of application. Oh, and I forgot. Oh, we put one of these. I don't know why I put one of those. This may be from another design. These I got from Raven's Journey, but she only sells wholesale. I do know that Art Beads sells a lot of her stuff, so take a look at Raven's Journey. They have her under specific brands. You can check her brand and you can find they carry a lot of her stuff. So, and then you're going to need some, I'm just thinking we don't need jump rings. Okay, never mind. So let's start with the little guy, or the short head pin. So let's get that in there, like that. We don't need a lot here. We're just going to do one turn. So I think about there we can cut this head pin. Like that. And get my round nose pliers. And I don't want a big, this might even be too much. Turn, release, turn, and let me take a look at this one. You could always add a seed bead. I think I need to, no, you know what? I don't think you're going to see that. There's a tick longer than that one. So let's get this one. We're going to attach it to the piece that's going front to back. So open up your loop that you just made and slide this on. close this back up. Perfecto. Then we are going to do the crystal with a loop. So let's cut the head pin off and make a loop. I think we made pretty small as well on this one, so let's go to about there. And these ones are super easy to turn. Go all the way, then bring your tool backwards and just push on your head pin and it lines it up nicely like that. So let's we'll open it after and attach it. So take a seed 11 or 15 seed bead, your 3mm crystal, that is lovely. Okay, and we're probably not going to need too much of this. Let's go to about here, like that, and turn, release, turn, and then bring your tool backwards, and there you go. It's pretty much centered. So let's add the bottom one first. I'm going to go the other way, and I'll tell you why. This one's a little longer, so I'll attach that to the earring. Let's open this one up and attach this, and close it. There. Now, let's take a look at the ear wire. I don't even think we need to open that because there's a bit of an opening here. Okay, let's just open it a bit. And because these turn around, you don't have to worry about a front and a back. Just hook that on. How easy is that? There. Ta-da! These turned out so pretty. You could do this into a bracelet. I would probably... I gotta find more of these. I don't know if I have them in a tray or something. I think this would look amazing on a bracelet. And you can take and round this with a rounding tool or put it around a marker. These are usually pretty soft that you can bend them, but that would look just ridiculous. So there you go. That is let me think which day it is. See, I already forgot. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my gosh, I can't believe 16 days. Oh, these are so beautiful. Take care, everybody. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow. Surprise, surprise.